This chicken palak is so green it looks radioactive, but it's healthy, high in protein, and my 5-year-old actually ate it. Let's go. To start with, we're going to wilt down an entire bag of spinach and a handful of coriander. That's one of the benefits of this recipe. It is loaded in nutrients. I mean, a whole bag of spinach for a curry, unbelievable. So you're going to wilt that, that'll just take a couple of minutes, and then you're going to add it to a blender along with some chicken stock. Then we're going to blitz that until it's nice and smooth. I mean, look at that color, and then just set it aside while we do a bit of frying. Heat some oil in a wok on a high heat, add your chicken breast and season with salt and pepper, and we're going to cook that for a few minutes until we get some nice color on all sides of the chicken. It doesn't need fully cooked through at this stage. This will happen when we add the sauce, but just make sure there's no raw chicken looking bits left. Remove it from the pan, set aside, and then we're just going to turn that heat down to medium before adding in our onion. We'll give that a couple of minutes of frying just to soften it and turn it a little bit light brown. Then we're going to add in our chili, equal measures of garlic and ginger paste, and fry that for 30 seconds before adding our curry powder along with our tomato puree and giving that another 30 seconds of frying before adding the chicken and any juices that have come out of it back to the pan with some sugar. Get that mixed through and then add in the wonderful sauce. I mean, that color every time is just unbelievable. You're going to mix that through, pop the heat back up to high, keep stirring it, and give it about 6 to 8 minutes until it's thickened up a bit and the chicken is fully cooked through.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favor to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
Plate it up, serve it with rice, naan breads, poppadoms, whatever you want, and just get stuck in. As always, if you'd like the full recipe, you can get it inside my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!